Okay, you guys, we're here at the Red Beach now here in Santorini, and I'm gonna walk and check out how it looks like. I probably want to go dip actually, go get my towel. Do I even need that? Actually, no. I'll just grab it. I'm going back. Meanwhile, show how that looks like. It says Camania Beach and Red Beach this way. Just walking on our way to the Red Beach. I wonder why they call it a Red Beach. I hope it's not the water. Oh, look at this. There's a cafe restaurant here. I should have had my lunch here. Camania Beach. Salad here. Hello. They have nice huts here. Look. There are people swimming, so I might go on for a dip. Quick one. Looks like this was formed by a volcano. I'll try to read about that. Okay. And I'm gonna go for a dip. Okay. Oh, okay. So that's the Red Beach. I wonder how or where that a guy from Christian LeBlanc filmed this video. Where did that guy come from? Okay, I'm here for the Red Beach, so I'm going that way. This is probably Camania Beach, but I'm here for the Red Beach. I'm gonna take my shoes off actually. Right, I think here about old folks. Lots of old folks, probably from across Europe. Okay, just took my shoes off, and I'm going to that Red Beach. That is hurting my foot. Oh wow. Need some flip-flops here. It's hurting my foot. A lot of water. Yeah, it hurts the foot. That's hurting my foot. Probably have to walk this way. Well, that rock looks fragile. It can probably fall on you at any time. I think this is why they call this the Red Beach, because of that red color on that cliff. Okay. See how that Red Beach looks like. I'd probably go for a dip. Oh, there's a door. Probably built some kind of a bunker here. Nice formations. I'll try to go up that hill and show you how that looks like. probably get there from here in the morning. I'm gonna put this in everything. At least it's not hot. This is scary. I didn't bring my phone. Guys, that's the red beach. Not sure where I'm going next. Probably go right there. Oh, that's hot. Super hot. Red beach. And that's the reason why I call this a red beach. Red rock. That can fall on you anytime, maybe. Yeah, that's it. Red Beach, Santorini, Greece. I'm gonna try to go out that rock. Yeah, I'm gonna go up. Okay, guys, we're going up. And let's see what we can see up top. This is gonna be a challenge. At least I ate already. That food is not good though. I didn't expect to eat that kind of food. But I would have expected that Greek food in Greece is way better than what we get in Australia. But I was wrong. I had like Greek food that is not at par with what we're eating in Australia. Okay. Whoop. That's a challenging terrain. Okay. This is not as bad as Thera though. I wonder if I could actually go there and do my swim all by myself. There's too many people out there. I should have gotten here pretty early. There's a musical going on. I will get a snapshot and take a photo of myself here. I guess I'll keep going and go at the edge of this mountain. Red Beach, guys, Red Beach. I want you guys to look at this. Like, this must be very fragile and it can fall any time on someone. Strong winds and probably an earthquake can make that fall. But I'm still standing and there's signs that something fell. So how are they keeping people safe here? You guys, I'm tired. I still have less of energy because I ate. Going on here. Oh, this is a nice spot for a selfie. You guys, I'll just keep walking and we'll see what they have on that other side. You gotta be careful walking here. There's a lot of rocks that can tip you off. Okay, there's another beach here.
So this is one of the places the catamarans.
Lots of boats. Plenty of boats. It looks like this was formed by volcanic eruption of some sort. You can tell by the rocks, the type of rocks. Beautiful. Feels like they're in the action.
So they're starting from there, all of this, and they're going to be more and more in the next 30 minutes. They're going around, and I think they're there.